Ever dreamed of ditching the traditional bank and diving into the world of digital banking? Maybe you've heard of Neon Bank and its sleek app, promising a world of convenience. But with all this innovation, a big question pops up: is Neon a safe bank? Let's dive deep and uncover the truth. Understanding Neon. First things first, Neon is a Brazilian digital bank, meaning they operate entirely online. No physical branches, just your phone and an app. This streamlined approach keeps costs low, which translates to potential benefits for you, like fee-free accounts and competitive interest rates. But with no physical presence, how can we be sure our money is secure? Safety measures. Fear not, fellow tech-savvy citizen. Neon takes security seriously. Here are some key features that put your mind at ease. FDIC equivalence. In Brazil, financial institutions rely on a similar system called FGC, Fundo Garantidor de Crédito. This acts much like the FDIC in the U.S., ensuring deposits up to a specific limit in case of bank failure. Encryption. Neon utilizes industry-standard encryption to protect your data. Think of it like a super-secret code that scrambles your financial information, making it unreadable to prying eyes. Multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security when logging in. Imagine a double lock on your account. You need both your password and a unique code, often sent to your phone, to gain access. Biometric authentication. Fingerprint or facial recognition take things a step further. Only your unique biological signature unlocks your account, making unauthorized access even harder. Regulatory framework. Security measures are great, but a strong regulatory framework is crucial. Neon operates under the watchful eye of the Brazilian Central Bank, Banco Central do Brasil. This government body ensures Neon adheres to strict financial regulations, protecting consumers like you. Independent audits. Just like schools get report cards, banks undergo regular audits. Independent auditors assess Neon's financial health and security practices. This adds another layer of trust, ensuring everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. User reviews. While official measures are important, what do actual Neon users say? Head over to app stores and online review sites. Here, you'll find real people sharing their experiences, good, bad, and everything in between. This can offer valuable insights into everyday banking with Neon. The final verdict. So, is Neon a safe bank? Based on the implemented security measures, strong regulatory oversight, and independent audits, Neon appears to be a secure platform for your hard-earned cash. However, digital banking isn't for everyone. Always weigh the pros and cons, and remember, responsible financial habits are key, regardless of the bank you choose. If you're considering Neon, do your research, understand the risks and benefits, and make an informed decision. For more content on navigating the exciting world of digital banking, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.